morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I hope you guys saw the the final giveaway of my 300 subscriber giveaway. Um, I just want to say congratulations to his HC4K3RZ. That's his name, but it actually stands for hacker. So I'm calling him hacker, but that's his little title there. So congratulations to you. I am really happy that you won. Um, and now we're getting back into my lock picking here. So give me 1 second. I could put great. Putting a piece of taffy in my mouth to keep me awake. I'm a little tired. I got a challenge lock that I'm pushing the limits on right now. Um, I've opened it twice. The first time took me all day, literally. Second wasn't so bad, and I'm going to get the third one on camera. This is called Dreadlock by, you got it, Big Al, Albert LEBEL. I am pushing my whatever, the limits or whatever. You know what? We'll see what my skills are right now. Truthfully, I don't expect to open it on camera. Um, I battled this thing all day, opened it twice, and I'm going to give it the best I can. What can I say? So I'm going to be using a 15 thousandths pick. And I'm going to be using a 1.2 millimeter tension wrench by Mad Bob's. I'm pretty sure that's a 1.2. That's a 1 millimeter. I want my 1.2. This is 1.2. All right. A little slop in there, but that's okay. All right, let's get to it and see what I can do. I'll look at my clock. All right. I am not going to go past 9 hours. So, come on. All right, here we go. Starting at 9:07. Get a 1, 2. You know what? Guys, forgive me, but I'm not going to call out the pins and stuff I'm on. I really want to concentrate, excuse me, on this lock. So forgive me. I'm not going to call out 1, 2, 3, and 4. Most of the time, I'm not exactly sure on that. But I really just want to concentrate on it, on his lock. This is, when it comes to tough, this is at the top of the list there. Him and Bill Bacardi, yeah, they kind of intimidating on the locks. So let me concentrate. I'll tell you when I got something good, or if I mess up, that was good. Um, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So bear with me. I'm sorry that I'm not going to be a big mouth on this one. That was nice. Everything about this lock is soft, meaning very light tension, light, light picking, um, light everything. I mean, this is, I don't know how to describe, but if you don't do it softly or whatever, you're not going to feel anything. I'm glad this doesn't have a spring in it to retract. Not that I got a big anything going, damn it. And I got to keep on looking at the camera because last time I started this, my camera shut off and I was halfway picked. So I had to start over. All right, back to the beginning. open it if I keep on losing my tension wrench. All right, I'll hold it in. One other thing is, you know what? When you're getting frustrated, like I'm gonna do, um, I don't know who told me this, but I've adopted it. Is nice. I felt it on my finger. Something moved. It didn't move on there, but I felt it. Um, Close your eyes because you're not picking with your eyes anyway. You're using your hands to feel everything. So you're doing it actually by braille. So close your eyes when you get frustrated. Breathe in through your mouth and out through your nose. Keep your eyes closed. And do this for a little bit. It kind of relieves the tension, stress, whatever you want to call it. Um, you're not using your eyes to pick, so you don't have to worry about it. Just close your eyes, relax, relax. Breathe through your mouth, exhale through your nose, and it seems to work for me. It's like it works. So this is Thumper's lockpicking meditation channel. Breathe through your mouth, out through your nose, and you'll get anything done. Yeah, right. Okay. Enough funny. Nice. But seriously, it does work for me. Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Beginning. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've got my eyes closed and I'm just concentrating um, on the lock. So I apologize. I'm not telling you 1, 2, 3, 4 and all that. So follow along if you want. Either that or go to the next channel and that guy will do just as good a job as I am. Hell if he will. I'm the best. Cocky ass. Okay, okay, that was good. Uh-huh. I try not to be like that. I am no means. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Wait. Okay. Yeah, I never try to be cocky. I never. Guys, I love playing with you. Ah, that was nice. And joking with you. Nothing serious though. Don't take me serious in any means. I'm not a know-it-all. I'm a non-know-it-all, and I'm learning from all know-it-alls. So I'm not a know-it-all, but I'm learning from know-it-alls. So know-it-alls, you could teach me from the non-know-it-alls. Oh, never mind. That's too way out. Okay. Excuse me 1 second. I want to make sure the camera's still going. I don't know why, but okay. Yeah, it shut off of me last time. I was pissed. Counter rotation on 3. Nice. I have a little movement. I'm not going to call that a false set, but it did move. I think you can see that. 2, 3, 4 is binding. Okay. 5. Come on, man. You've got to stay in there. Okay, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the beginning. Mm-hmm. 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 Little movement going. All right. Nice. Nice. I guess that you'd call that somewhat of a false set from what it was. Nothing big. Nothing big. I definitely want to check the camera. All right. I think I got too much stuff on my camera and it's shutting off. And I don't know what to do about that. I don't know if I delete things, if I delete it from YouTube or I just delete it from my camera. I'm not sure about that. I don't need to save any videos for myself, but I want to make sure they're saved to YouTube. So I don't know if anybody could answer me on that question. Um, I don't need to save it on my camera, but I want to make sure I don't delete it from YouTube. So what do I do? Is that okay to delete um, delete the videos that I'm done with and just post them to YouTube? That way I nice, nice, nice. All right, that way I free up the space on my phone. I'm so uneducated with the technology. Nice. Okay. Um, I'm just really going through the motions here. I don't want to undermine my ability or whatever. I really don't expect to open this. Not on camera. It took me so long to do the first time, and the second time was just about half as long, and that was a good clip there. Um, so I'm giving it my best, but I'm an opportunist or whatever. So I got to think positive. I'm going to open this sucker. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about it. I'm not. That was good. A little movement there. Same there. I'm feeling it in my fingers. I don't see it moving in the tension wrench, but we are moving along. Back to the beginning. So yes, indeed, I'm going to open this. Big Al, you don't intimidate me. I mean, who the hell do you think you are? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Oops. I didn't, Al. You do intimidate me. You and Bill Bacardi, son of a gun. Uh, so yeah, just send your shoes over. I'll shine them for you. Nice. Yeah, there's certain people in this sport you gotta give hands down credit to. Albert LEBEL is one of them. Bill Bacardi is another one. There's a lot of other ones, but I guess when I pick either or lock, wait, nice, nice, that was nice. It kind of intimidates me. But when I open it, man, I just like spit in their face. Huh, who do you think you are? You didn't hear me, did you? I'm sorry. Send 2 pairs of shoes over. I'll polish them. Nice. Okay, I think I'm on 4. Counter rotation. Come on. Counter rotation on 4. Nice. Okay. All right. Okay, now I have a false set going. Now I'm absolutely positively sure that the moon's round. Oh, boy. Nothing on 1, 2. Nice and soft. I should do a toilet paper commercial. Nice and soft. Nice and soft is great for your butt. No scratching, no itching. Just a smooth sailing. Wipe that out of your butt with no scratching at all. Nice and soft. A product of Thumpers Incorporated. All right. I got counter rotation. I think this is 4. Nice. Got it on 4. Starting from the beginning. God, I'm glad this don't have a spring in it. If anybody has a tension wrench bigger than 1.2, the next size bigger, man, I appreciate it. I'll buy it from you. I try to make it my own. It's just not the same. I don't feel confident, I guess, in my work of building. Nice. Here we go. Wait. Okay. Nothing. So yeah, just bigger than 1.2. The next one, which is I don't know 1. Kind of rotation. I felt that move. There you go. Nice. Um, is what I'm looking for. People send me, rods and things to make them out of. I'm not a good maker. I'm an okay picker, but I can't make shit. I just don't feel confident in my work. Nice. I don't know how long I'm going, but I'm about to stop. 1, 2. Nice on 2. 3. Nothing on 4. 5. Spinding. Little click at a 5. And going to the beginning there. Nice. I got some movement going. I feel it. Look at the watch. Okay. You see it move? Okay. 2, 3. At beginning. 1. 2. Nice. Very nice. I'm feeling it when I hit something. I feel something moving. I think that's the last pin there. Gotcha, baby. I gotcha, baby. Oh, get you.
That was easy.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Keep telling me. I want to hear it.
That was easy.
I want to hear it.
That was easy.
It wasn't easy, but it was fun. Fun.
That was easy.
Fun.
That was easy.
Thank you, guys. This is good. I got it. I opened it. Let me have this right here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Keep this in frame here. Let me get rid of this. I did it. See how you don't intimidate me. I'm just fine. Shh. We'll get you on the next one. All right. I need a screwdriver. Let me undo this real quick, guys. I got it. I did it. I opened it. Oops. That's the first screw. Second screw. Bear with me, guys. I'm doing as quick as I can. Right on. I did it. I did it. I did it. Did it. Did it. I did it. I did it. I need a follower now. Make sure this is in camera. Oh wow. You guys didn't even see me undo that. Okay. That's that. What happened to the other screw? Yep. Attach this screwdriver. All right. I did it, but I opened it. I need a follower. Let me see here. Nice. I didn't need any. All right. All right, Big Al. Let's see what you got. Number one. Oh, wow. A very serrated, sharp pin. Two, a tapered down spool. Wow. I'm sorry there. Three, standard. Four, unbelievable serrated pin. Wow. Come on, baby. Okay. You know what? You guys are I'm gonna blow your mind with these pins. Great work, Al. Great work. Let me see. Let me get my probe here, and as she would say, let me probe. Probe. Number one. Threads. Definitely threaded. I'm gonna do it first. Very difficult through the camera here. First one is threaded. Second one standard. Nothing done. The third one is very much undercut. The fourth one here is threaded. The 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one here, nothing done to it. Fifth and the sixth, nothing done to it. Let me give you a close-up so you can see this. I hope you can see this. Okay, let's see what we got at top. This is going to be wild. I know it. I can't believe I opened it. Yo! Baby, baby, baby. All right, enough of that shit. Watch your mouth there, Thumper. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. Wow. Okay. The first one is not breaking the unless it just popped out and I just didn't friggin' see it. Oh, it did. I'm sorry. Wow. Almost got sad for a minute. This is the second one. I forgot to slow down. I'm too excited. Okay, we got a nice copper spring in the second one. No, the first one, I'm sorry. The first one is another copper spring. I gotta breathe. I'm so excited. The third one, I think it's a pin and pin. It is a pin and pin, I think. Wait a minute. Wow. All right. And with a wafer on top of it too. Wow. We got another copper spring. Jeez. You just see the work on this. I mean, it's beautiful. The serrations in these pins are unbelievable. Okay. I mean, I'm going to start from this side here. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Nice. So nice. It's a pleasure to do a beautiful lock. And this is beautiful. Very, very nice. I think the last spring. There you go. Unbelievable. Great to see this. Please don't shut off. Not now. Not now. Nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Okay. It's all stuck inside. There's no work done to it. Doesn't need to be. My God. Let me show you what I got here. This is absolutely beautiful. I am so proud right now. Don't shut up. Don't shut up. I'll do a close-up here. Look at these pins. Number one, just a totally beautiful serrated pin. Number two is kind of like a spool. It's tapered down there on the top. The third one's standard. The fourth one, look at the fourth one there. There you go, that's better. All serrated. Beautifully done. The fifth one there is a taper down. It's like a cone, all serrated down to the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the sixth one's standard. Top pins. Look at the top pins, man. Beautiful serrated pin. You got two serrations on the second one. This is a pin on pin. It actually goes in that little T-pin right there with a wafer on top. I got it backwards, but I'm just showing you. Another one on 4, just serrated pin. The fifth one is a taper down spool. The sixth one there is this is serrated down to the bottom and tapered down type of spool. The springs are all a little bit, some of them, 1, 2, 3 look alike. 4 is kind of compressed. 5 is kind of compressed. That's the springs. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did it. Wow. Anyway, guys, that's what I got for you. I'm working on, wow, 30 minutes. Sorry. This is the end. Don't put your pictures in anyone else's locks. I have an explicit permission. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'm gone.